funky story, and this time you're going to make an emoji. And this is all we need: scissors, pencil, and paint. Then paintbrush. The other thing we need is something round like a plate, and a paper, plain white. And there we go. The first thing I'll do is draw a line, a circle using this plate. I place it here and draw a round circle. We draw it here. Round like that. Then I cut it round. Cutting it round, following the circle line. Remember to use your scissors carefully. You should cut away from your fingers. And there is round. I cutted it round. And the other thing I'm going to do is paint here yellow. I like color yellow, it's my favorite. So I'll paint my circle yellow. Let me use the border. So I take a paintbrush here and paint my circle yellow. Here's paint. I'm painting yellow. Here I'm painting yellow. My circle is becoming yellow. There, that, painted everywhere yellow, painted everywhere yellow, round. Yeah. And there is my circle yellow. Oh my goodness. Another thing I'm going to do is, because I want it to look like this, I take which color? I take brown and draw the eyes. Brown paint. So I get another one with a paintbrush. I take brown paint. I look for brown paint here. And then I dip my paint inside. And then I'm going to draw the eyes like that. And like that. Woohoo! They almost look the same. Like that. Like that. There. It's becoming emoji. Yay. Yeah. And now I choose another paint for the mouth, smiling teeth. Then I take brown. I want it to look like this one. So I take brown again. I draw mouth round like this. Slowly like this. Like that. Then, which color do I want? Color white for my teeth. So I take white paint. Here's the white paint. Then get another paint brush. Here is the white paint. Then put teeth. Putting teeth with the white paint. Yeah. Put more. Like that. Yay! I did it. Then I take this paint, brown one, brown paint, and put the gaps. Now the gaps, like the way you have gums. Like that, I'm putting it in the middle like that. Wow! Nice one. And there is my emoji. Wow! And there is my emoji. Take my paper slowly. And there is my emoji. Wow! Did you enjoy the video? If you liked the video, please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. I love you, children. Are they the same? Yes. Please subscribe to Sanky Stories. Bye bye.